Hey guys, we are going to Spirit Halloween today. But we're going to Spirit Halloween today. My mom is meeting us there, my stepdad, and we're gonna go shopping. Not planning on getting a lot of decorations, but at the same time, my mom got us a big skeleton. I can't wait for you guys to see it and see them all sitting on her couch. And then my mom's gonna try my banana bread. My pumpkin bread came out like crap. I'm so upset.
It's delicious. Don't let her fool
No,
you.
it's just not pumpkin bread. It is pumpkin, like harder than pumpkin pie, but like firmer than pumpkin pie, but it's not bread. Like, it's only bread like on the outside. So I don't know exactly what I did wrong. I mean, unless maybe the bread pan I was using was not big enough.
That could be an issue.
I think that is part of the issue. So maybe we should go look for a bread pan too. Like I said, we're gonna go to Spirit Halloween. We're gonna meet my mom there, and then I'll see you guys in a little bit. To Spirit Halloween, and then we went to Marshall's. We'll show you guys what we got later, but now I'm gonna go to my mom's house. We ordered pizza. We're gonna open up my Shein stuff. I should have a couple things that I got. It should be like a box there. I'm excited to see what came because I know some stuff is still on the way. I'll show you guys what we got when we get there. And this is what I meant by they're on my mom's couch. One of them is mine. One of the regular skellies, and then she got the fairy ones, dragon I guess, and then fairy. They're really cool. They're from Home Depot. I believe they're all from Home Depot. That one's like contemplating life, but yeah, that's nice. Salt and pepper shakers. How adorable. And my friend Rachel, this isn't Halloween, but it's very sweet. I love matcha. She got me this candle. I think she said her friend makes them or sells them or something. Angsty Addie, the bread is called. And then we got these cute ghosty coasters. We'll have 2 for the main table and then 2 for the coffee table. These pretty napkins. I thought these were adorable. They had so many more, but these were my 2 favorites. I just love like a little dash of pink with the orange and black and green and all. I'm loving this color palette for Halloween. And I love all the purples and oranges and all that too. And then I got this brown little wallet thing from Shein to put in my little bags like when I go out. But it doesn't have a like thing where you could see my license here, which I thought it did, but it's okay. It's cute. It'll match all my fall bags. I got 2 headbands, one cheetah or leopard and one regular black, just because I wear a lot of headbands in the fall and winter. These are for little churu sticks. When you're giving your cat his little churu, you put it in here and you're squeezing it and he's licking it off of like a bowl. Double-sided makeup brushes from Shein. I needed new brushes. Now I just need a new brush holder, which I could make one, so I might do that. And then these are the new candles we got. We just have to put batteries. I'm gonna put these up there. By the way, that's my new Skelly guy. I'll show you guys in a minute. I'm gonna put the black ones up there. Then I want to put in the bathroom here. So I feel like that'll be really cute and it'll glow at night. So it'll be a little night light. And I also have my little mushroom night light. But I think that'll be cute once it's on and glowing. This is the little hand soap we have. And I thought this was so cute. I bought this at, I think TJ Maxx the one day. And yeah, I just think it's adorable. And this is the one spray we have. We need like a pumpkin spray, but this is it. And then, by the way, we have a horror movie word search for whenever anybody comes here. And you have to go to the bathroom. They can search some words. We didn't change this shower curtain, but I'll show you guys in my other bathroom we changed it. This is the shower curtain I put up today. We got this at Ross. I really like it. And it fits perfect, honestly. What's Benji doing over there? What's he doing? Hi. I want to put a nice ottoman here because right now we have a box with a blanket and my hoodies. Don't mind that. I think he hears something. You hear something? You see a bug? Might see a little moth. But I want to put a little ottoman here, put a little blanket on top so they can lay on there. Because it's a pretty big space. It's like a little nook space. I could sit on there and like read a book. I think that'll be really cute. Then here is our Skelly guy. Showing Mr. Skelly. We have him sitting. She put her hat on him. He is bald. He looks creepy. And where's the button to make him red? There we go. And he looks creepy. My mom got a 3-pack. Look at Benji. The cats didn't really care. They were just like, what is that? I'll sniff it for a second and now I'm gonna ignore it. So that's great. He looks a little less creepy with the hat on. He looks less creepy with the hat on, I think. He's got clothing on. Oh, that beanie doesn't really match. I guess it does. There we go. Perfect. Sexy.
It's a little creepy.
He needs socks.
I don't have Halloween socks.
Doesn't need to be. Good morning, guys. It is currently 10:52, so it is pretty late, but I just stayed in bed most of the morning. We realized that our toilet was running, so my girlfriend had to run to Home Depot and get a part for that. She's fixing that right now. I left my girl man. I'm gonna go show her my matcha. Okay, well, I can't show her my matcha right now because she closed the door because the cats were being annoying while she was trying to fix everything, so. I will not lie, this is really good. But I think I'm tasting too much of like the pumpkin puree. Should have probably put more heavy cream or more of the vanilla syrup and a little bit more pumpkin pie spice. But other than that, this is delicious. But my girlfriend went to the store and got eggs. So I'm gonna make eggs right now. And this fake sausage, since I am vegetarian. I feel like I've probably said that a couple times, but I am vegetarian. So I don't eat any meat or anything like that. Actually, no, I'm sorry. I'm lying. I'm lying to you. I've been pescatarian for 2 years almost, or a year and a half. So I'm a liar. I've been pescatarian, but I was vegetarian for years. So I'm just used to saying I'm vegetarian. I'm gonna make these Morningstar Farms sausage patties with 2 eggs. I work tomorrow. Today's Labor Day, by the way. Happy Labor Day. I work tomorrow, but I'm off Wednesday, so I'm gonna have to run to Whole Foods because they have the best sourdough bread. I don't care what anybody says, they have the best. And I kind of want to stop at Trader Joe's as well. There's Trader Joe's in my hometown, and there's a Whole Foods right near my hometown, so I'm probably gonna go to those 2 and get what I need on Wednesday. I would love a good avocado toast right now with these eggs, but I just don't have it, and that's a really big breakfast. And honestly, I'm gonna be vulnerable for a second. I lost 20 pounds from February till now, which is literally September 1st. And I was trying to lose 5 pounds a month because that's what was basically happening. In the middle of February to the middle of March, I lost 5. Middle of March to middle of April, 5. Then to May, 5. Then to June, 5. I didn't lose any weight in July or August, but I maintained. I've been the same weight for like 2 months now. So I've been maintaining, and I think it's due to the fact that I'm not calorie restricting anymore. I'm basically just maintaining my calories, or even just going over a little bit, but then working out and kind of like evening it out a little bit. These obviously are high calorie, heavy cream and all of that. The banana bread and the pumpkin bread and stuff like that I've been making is high calorie. I've been trying to eat like eggs and stuff like that, and I'll have like tuna later for lunch. I'll probably do a lunch around like 2 o'clock since it's 11 now. I'm having breakfast. So I'll probably do a tuna lunch around 2. And then I don't know what I'm gonna have for dinner. I was hoping to make big ziti, but we also have pizza left over from my mom's house yesterday. I'm trying to balance everything. I'm gonna definitely work out today. I would love to do like a 40-minute Pilates workout. So I'm gonna try to do that today just to, again, I guess maintain. I mean, I love my fall drinks and things like this. I love to eat. So I love my banana breads that I've been making and everything. So that's my little vulnerable take of the morning. And let's get to making these eggs.
Heart beats up and down, I'm in a gambling phase. We're going round and round, it's a trampoline stay. Oh, it's like I never run out of breath, and I don't care if we make a mess. It doesn't matter what's coming next. So can we just...
I'm making 4 eggs for my girlfriend and I. Oh, that one's kind of bloody. I don't like that. Yeah, I didn't like that one. That was like bloody. Rinse my hands like 100 times when I do this. I do garlic powder, paprika, salt, and pepper. Paprika, I swear, is the best part. It's what makes the eggs. Do only a little bit of pepper. When I was growing up, I had a girlfriend whose dad, well, friend. I feel like I have to specify because I'm gay. But I had a friend whose dad would make us eggs, and he would only do egg whites, even though I would ask for regular eggs, like the whole thing, yolk and everything. And he would put so much garlic, I'm sorry, pepper.
Me waking up confused, lost in time. Every moment tastes like someone.
I burn my eggs on purpose, so I have to take these off in a minute because my girlfriend doesn't like them like that. She also wants to make her own toast because I usually burn it by accident. And we have English muffins, and I cannot wait to go to a farm. We're going to go in like 2 weeks to a farm to get fresh jam, homemade jam. Yum, I can't wait. I'm going to get that and like some chili and things like that. I'm going to make my own chili this fall, but you know, I hope you can see me. I really hope you can see me this whole time. I'm just going to talk like this because now I know you can see me. But I can't wait to go to the farm, get homemade jam, get chili and all that. Like I said, I'm gonna make my own chili, but I like to make their chili too because they make a really good bean chili. I go right to Chester Farms. Well, it's Allstead Farms in Chester, New Jersey. Not too far from me, so I really love the area. It's super cute. They just have really good stuff. Like, I don't know if they're still gonna do the winery. I would love to do that. And a corn maze and all that. It's really cute. I have to put my vent fan on so the alarm doesn't go off because it's very sensitive. So I'll talk to you guys in a minute.
Some sugar kisses left behind, and I don't wanna fall in love.